Kimberley medical practitioner convicted for tax evasion by Satori News. In a significant ruling hailing from the Northern Cape, the Kimberley Commercial Crime Court has convicted and sentenced 55-year-old medical doctor Mr. Fabian Royston Tun, reinforcing the message that tax compliance is not optional but a legal obligation. On Thursday, 22nd of August 2024, Mr. Tun faced the consequences of contravening the Tax Administration Act 28 of 2011 when found guilty of multiple counts of tax-related offenses. Operational as a sole proprietor of Fr. Tun Practice, Mr. Tun neglected his civic duty by failing to submit his personal income tax returns for 7 consecutive years from 2015 to 2022. The avoidance of declaring his taxable income to the Commissioner of the South African Revenue Service, SARS, saw the state incur a potential loss of revenue surpassing R4 million, a sum not overlooked by the authorities. Mr. Tun was confronted with a total of 50 counts, 8 for his failure to submit personal income tax returns, and an astounding 42 related to his omission in filing value-added tax returns. Regarding the 8 counts of personal tax transgressions, Mr. Tun received a prison sentence of 2 years. Fortunately for him, the incarceration was wholly suspended for 5 years, contingent upon his not reoffending within that period. The Kimberley Commercial Crime Court didn't stop there. Additional penalties in the form of fines or imprisonment were sentenced for the remaining 42 counts concerning VA. The directive was clear. Mr. Tun is to either pay a R10,000 fine or face 4 months in prison, with half of the sentence suspended again for 5 years, given the same condition of refraining from similar infractions. The case of Mr. Tun underscores the judicial system's non-negotiable stance on tax evasion, holding individuals accountable regardless of their social status or profession. The ruling also serves as a preventative admonishment for those who might consider, or are already engaged in, skirting their tax responsibilities, a topic that remains poignant in public discourse, especially concerning high-profile individuals such as former President Jacob Zuma and the speculation surrounding his submission of tax returns. The national conversation around tax integrity continues as South Africans look for transparency and equality before the law. This ruling serves as a precedent and a reminder of the duty each citizen and resident holds to contribute their fair share for the country's development and governance. Thank you for choosing Satori News.